Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku on December 31st, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Third row, fourth row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Third row, second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Column D, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, sixth row, seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th grade, column C, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. 8th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. 7th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 can confirm here. We can confirm 2 also here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column C, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 4 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 10th row, 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5 and 6, it will come here another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one numbers remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 2nd grade, we already use 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, and then 1 is here. Column E, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.